So integrating this thing out, let's say this might not be straightforward, I'm not sure, but luckily we don't really need to evaluate this integral. Observe that if we take this as fx, we'll get that f inverse x, this is f inverse x, and if this is fx, then this is f1 and this is f2. So this whole thing is simply a to b and yeah, so recall that this thing is bfb minus afa. So substituting the values, b is 2, f of b is log base 2, 9 minus a, f is 1 into 1. So this is between 2 to the power 6 is 64. So this thing is greater than 6 and less than 7. So when subtracting 1, the answer would be from 5 to 6. So greatest integer less than or equals to would be 5. So the answer is 5. Now, this was the crucial step here, because otherwise evaluating this integral would be very difficult.